Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all must be doing absolutely fine. स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस चैनल My Travel Tales.
دور على الفيديو هنا؟
لا الفيديو
هو معلومكم فين محمد الماتش ده الصبح خالص الزبون اصلا.
Good morning from Giza pyramids. देखिए ये मेरा व्यू है होटल रूम से, सामने स्फिंक्स एंड तीनों पिरामिड्स दिख रहे हैं। जल्दी ही हम इसके अंदर जाएंगे घूमने के लिए। टुडे इज द रेस्ट डे, सो ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं, तो बस अभी सोकर उठाऊंगा और एडिटिंग सम वीडियोस हियर, इनफैक्ट वॉचिंग सम वीडियोस ऑफ माई। करते हैं फिर कुछ काम और आज ज़्यादा आराम। का भूख लग रहा था, सो ऑर्डर सम कोशारी। फर्स्ट टाइम खा रहा हूँ, बढ़िया रहा है, बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है। राइस, बहुत तरह के लेंटिल्स हैं। अभी सोकर उठे हैं, अभी गुड मॉर्निंग हुआ है। And this is the view. Isn't it beautiful? This is the view from the room. स्पेक्स देखिए नीचे।
65 feet high. He achieved the building of the highest monument then known to man. The area it covers is vast enough to hold St. Peter's Cathedral in Rome, the cathedrals of Florence and Milan, Westminster Abbey and St. Paul. 3 million blocks of stone, some of them weighing 30 tons, were assembled by Cheops' faithful workmen to achieve this fabulous construction. At the center of it, the pharaoh planned his inner chamber, where his mummy was to lie in splendor for eternity. At the foot of this pyramid, in the rock, a temple was built.
Start again. लाइट एंड साउंड शो गीज़ा के पिरामिड्स में शुरू होने वाला है। आप देख सकते हैं स्पिंक्स का लाइट चल चुका है। स्पिंक्स इज लुकिंग रेड। वाह, अभी शायद टेस्टिंग चल रहा है, ऑन एंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं। ब्यूटीफुल।
Here on the plateau of Giza stands forever the mightiest of human achievements. No traveler, emperor, merchant or poet has trodden on these sands and not dust in all. Curtain of night is about to rise and disclose the stage on which the drama of a civilization took place. Those involved have been present since the dawn of history, pitched stubbornly against sand and wind. The voice of the desert has crossed the centuries. His first praise is for my nation, his land was. And for 5,000 years I have seen all the sons men can remember come up inside. I call the history of Egypt in its first glow, as tomorrow I shall see the East burning with a new flame. I am the faithful warden at the foot of Israel. So faithful, so vigilant, so near him that he gave me his faith for my own. I am a pharaoh's companion, and I am he. Through the ages, I received many names from the people who came to me.
Oh, Rameses, you are my life's safeguard.
Protect me, oh great God, that I might see you every day.
Sword of the heavens, sovereign of eternity.
But the name which has remained with me is that given to me by a Greek traveler, the father of history, Herodotus. far back of the line. His first ray is on my face.
Kalau bikin aja.
And towards him. And for 5,000 years I have seen all the sons men can remember come up in the sky. I saw the history of Egypt in its first glow, as tomorrow I shall see the east burning with a new flame. I am the faithful warden at the foot of his law. So faithful, so vigilant, so near him that he gave me his face for my own. I am a pharaoh's companion, and I am he, the pharaoh. Through the ages I received many names from the people who came to me in adoration.
Oh, Harmakies, you are my life's safeguard.
Horus, protect me, oh great God, that I might see you every day.
Lord of the desert,
Lord of the heavens, sovereign of eternity.
but the name which has remained with me is that given to me by a Greek traveler, the father of history, Herodotus. He called me Sphinx, as if I were from his land, and that name is now mine. Close to the Nile, I watch over the plateau of Giza, over all its monuments of modest or fantastic height. They are tombs.
Civilizations are like islands on the ocean of barbarism. Over this one, the Sphinx has gazed and watched for 5,000 years. At the foot of such mountains of stone, everything becomes minute and insignificant. Man is an insect. And yet, it was men who built these massive monuments. And the names of pharaohs whose tombs they are have crossed the ages. Their glory has defeated time.
अगर आपको मेरे व्लॉग्स पसंद आए तो वीडियोस को लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और मेरे मोटिवेशन के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा ताकि मेरी हौसला अफजाई होती रहे और मैं ऐसे ही ढेरों वीडियोस आपके लिए बनाता रहूं। सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट। शुक्रान।
4,500 years ago. Here is the Great Pyramid which he built